What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jayvyn with the stacks, with the reacts, and I'm back with another reaction video. So today I will be reacting to NBA Press the Wrong Button Moments by King Swish. Make sure you guys subscribe to him. The link will be down below in the description, guys. Also, if you guys want more reaction videos, subscribe, like, comment, turn on notifications, share it to your friends or family, whatever. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, my voice is just tripping, bro. It's been tripping all day. Tripping all day. But yeah, nobody cares. Without further ado, let's get this started. Let's go. Oh no. Yeah, you know that was wrong. You already know that was wrong.
Contested had a layup, but he leaves it for Thibault. But that's when you know that the game is in your head. That's a dunk for Ben Simmons right there. You got it.
For real. He should have just dunked it. Oh, he stepped on out of bounds. Oh my gosh. Man, that look pretty dark though. I ain't gonna cap. Oh, is that joke of Noah?
White gives it up. Forbes is fouled.
Oh, I was about to say, bro.
Offensive.
Oh, what the freak?
Draymond in a foot race. Scattered break. Draymond Green. Oh, had it knocked away.
Man.
He was throwing it off the glass. He should have laid it up. Ow.
Man, I'm not gonna lie. Green kind of trash though for doing that. He kind of trash for doing that though.
For three. And Gobert is there. And throws it away.
Man.
All these miscues and just mishandling of the back.
You should have passed it to your other teammate. What's wrong with you?
Curry makes his moves, finds Green. Green drives down a lane, the floater's up, no good, overtime.
No, absolutely not.
7 assists, and he's still working at it. Good hustle by Van. Love the fact that he almost tied up. Oh, Reggie
Man, now what's going on here?
He called timeout just at.
Oh. Dang. He got so mad that he threw the ball, bro. The heck?
He's kicked out. He's gone. He's gone.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, that's gonna be me. That'd be me sometimes.
A lot of excitement here.
Man, I don't even know what's going on.
Right, both the Wizards and the Bulls, and look at that.
Look at that. Now they got a 3-point. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm about to sneeze too.
Tough contested threes. Here's Kawhi. It's a three. Missed it right there. Defense by Finney Smith. Whistle blows. Foul. 4.4.
4.4. 4.4.
Contesting the shot from D. Rose. And then Taj Gibson.
Man.
An elbow into the back of Chris Paul.
He's talking to Tibbs, too. I mean, they know each other from USA Basketball. Chris Paul just turned 36, and Taj
I'm not gonna lie, they look like they was about to fight right there. Low key. Man, you see him? He was like, can I shoot it? Should I shoot it? Bro. Man, you gotta pass it, bro. The last clip, he is literally a ball hog for doing that. He is a ball hog for doing that, though. Man, I don't know what's wrong with these people these days, bro.
I can walk over and help him off the court. Pass. Davis lobs it up and goes in. He was going for the pass, but instead it's going to be a jumper for Anthony Davis. I said that's the shot he's got.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, he didn't even jump. He did not even jump.
Oh, that goes in.
Oh.
I got it all the way, said Kuz. Got a 3-point opportunity there.
He was like,
And now the basket,
you know what I'm saying?
Tipped up and in by Sabonis.
Okay.
Yeah, that was a big possession there. play.
Man.
Is off of that.
Now what you think this is, soccer?
Still much time remaining. Three clutch free throws in a row. Yeah, but they're going to use their 24. Oh, that's a
Oh my gosh.
Banks it home. And it's a one-point game.
Oh my gosh. What are you doing?
Now Tatum goes to the hole. No, and it's
Oh. Oh, that was a free point for them.
the lead is now 3.
I did not even know that.
It's that time by Minnesota. If they had a timeout, they could move. Gets the pick. The inbounds. Green launches it. Spurs rebound it with 5 seconds to go and a foul. What was
Derrick Rose up at his grill. Sabonis with the drive.
Oh, heck no.
Hangs on the rim, won't
Bro.
fall. They pull the rebound.
Isn't that goaltending?
7 seconds left.
Hold on, isn't that goaltending?
The miss is
Unless y'all got something new over here. I don't even know.
loose? Gordon's got it.
Oh,
It's
heck
a
no.
match. And a timeout. Hornets get a timeout. Hornets have the basketball. Oh, they give up the timeout.
Bro, he mad, bro. He mad. You see his face, bro?
Who's going to go to the rim? It's Iguodala. It's a tip.
Oh.
I'm going to tell you, if he misses off the backboard, Andre might have had a chance.
I think I actually saw that clip before, but it was closer. It was even more closer.
Carroll inside. Tip it goes. Vucevic.
Hey, he got dreads like mine. He got dreads like mine.
Vucevic has
Got
just
dreads like mine.
a 5-point
Hey, y'all see that clean fade though?
What a play there for
Caruso, he gives it up to Wagner. Might have wanted Josh Hart. Wagner cut off the pass. 10:40.
Let me open the door.
Joe Harris with 3 trays in the fourth quarter. They're looking
You
for
gotta get out of here, bro.
down. 2 seconds left, and Dinwiddie threw it out of bounds.
You gotta get out of here, bro.
Goodness, Brooklyn turns it over with just under 2 seconds.
Oh, you want me to open the door for you? Oh, you want me to open the door for you? Okay. You deserve it. Get out. Get out now.
Offensive foul.
Thank you.
Kyle Lowry.
Bro,
Interesting move.
it looked like he finna tackle him though.
I don't think I've ever seen anybody try to take their bodies through the guy's legs. You?
That might be the first.
Man, who would go between the legs and freaking...
I've
Oh.
seen players try to jump over other.
Against the South.
I don't know what's going on with these people, but these people are doing something.
He's in the starting lineup with Dudley out. Russell, rainbow 3. No
Okay.
open play.
Okay,
Timeout.
take that.
Brad Stevens. Rudy Gay. 3-on-1. Thomas. Oh, he's throwing it back to Rudy. Ricky hands it to Royce. Slicing inside, blocked by Jerebko.
Ooh. Okay, okay.
He tapped it in.
Well, the closest man to. Comes up with the basketball.
How you missing? Y'all better make it. Y'all better make it. Oh my gosh. He missed the dunk. Somebody blocked the layup. And that's it. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Derrick Rose is going back. Derrick White is going back, going for the alley-oop, and the bad hair day just getting worse. Hitch in his stroke removed, still there. Oh boy. Oh my God. Herky jerky from the foul line.
And he still
the free
missed
throw
it.
line is the one time where everything's slow and you really got to think about your shot. Clearly looks uncomfortable there.
Moody ain't triggering. Doesn't like what he's. Oh, he threw it away. He panicked.
Man.
Panic attack in the Cavaliers with a
He did not even know what to do.
If you want. Hill misses. Rebound goes to the Cavs. J.R. Smith brings it back out. Throws it to Hill. Hill shot blocked. And we'll go to overtime.
Hey, at least it's a tie though.
Great job from Smith to get the rebound, but dribble it away. And Hill could not get off a clock.
Man, at least it was a tie, though. Man, if it wasn't a tie, then I don't even know what they doing, bro. You know, they could have just passed it to him, the one that's wide open. You know what I'm saying? But you guys don't even know it's him. But that will be the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You guys know the rest. Like I said, it's your boy JVN with the stacks, with the reacts. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.